is stronger in the Philippines. Kasi kahit may ganyan, mukhang talagang inaayos nila. So that's why things have changed. The level of confidence in the Philippine economy and in the Philippine government as the leader and the guider of the economy is restored. Uh, we all have, all countries have their own problems, but the only problem, especially for investors, is whether or not the government is doing anything about it. If the government were doing nothing about it, I would guess he wouldn't say the same thing.
A quick follow-up, Mr. President. Meron na po ba tayong mga investment pledges sa ngayon?
Oh,
Nakuha.
yeah, should we?
Di ba?
Well, I just had a meeting a few minutes ago. We just finished a meeting with Samsung. And as you know, Samsung is already in the Philippines. They have employed 8,000 Filipinos
Grabe.
in their very, very high-tech manufacturing plant. The
8,000
products that they
Filipinos
make
ha. Grabe, dami
in
yan.
the Philippines are of the highest tech that you can imagine. And so that is very, very important for us. Well, I met with them today, and they asked me what we could help them with an expansion in the Philippines. And mabuti na lang, meron na tayong batas na create more.
Ma'am Ninita, hello po.
Because
Magandang
within
hapon.
the new Create More Act, there is a threshold where we say that if there is an investment of over 50 billion pesos in
Thank
the
you po sa
country,
mga
then
nag-like dyan.
they are
Palike pa po
qualified
mga
to
kababayan.
be extended incentives and tax exemptions. So they committed to that. And they said because there's a Create More now, and that we have and because there are now incentives that make it easier for us to invest and to expand. That is their commitment. They made a commitment of a little over 50 billion pesos to expand. That translates into 3,000 new jobs. And again, the transfer of technology is going to be very important. Pangatlo, lagi kong lahat ng mga nag-i-invest sa atin, lalo na yung mga technology, sinasabi ko, kailangan mag-train kayo ng tao. At hindi lamang minsanan. Kailangan tuloy-tuloy ang training ninyo. And Samsung has agreed to tie up with some universities in the Philippines, not only to train, but also to do research and development. I don't think they do that in every place that they are. And so that is a very good development that we had just a few minutes ago.
Thank you for the good news, Mr. President.
Oh, good news yan.
Grabe,
The
galing.
next question from Luisa, Philippine Daily Inquirer.
Yan ang good news.
Good evening po, sir. Follow-up lang po sana sa short encounter nyo ni Chinese President Xi Jinping. Can you share ano po yung naging response niya sa quick conversation nyo? And was that gesture a part of your plan to invite him to the Philippines next year to discuss about disputes in the West Philippine Sea?
Masyado kayong deep. It's just common courtesy. He was one of the few leaders that I make sure that I talk to everyone as much as possible. I always get something out of it there. I think I'm getting a reputation because I pick everybody's brain. What do you think about this? What do you think about that? What are you going to do about this? What are you going to do about that? And I learn a lot. But in the case of President Xi, it was very quick lang. And yun nga sabi ko, patapos na ito, matatapos na ito. He made already his final speech. Hindi ko pa nakamayan kahit minsan in the last 2 days. Baka naman sabihin akala yung mga Pilipino, hindi tayo marunong, di ba? So I made sure to be able to find, so habang nakaupo pa silang lahat, lumapit na ako. I shook his hand, and the foreign minister, Wang Yi, who was sitting behind him, came and did some translation for us. Sabi ko lang sa kanya, congratulations. I hope we look forward to doing a lot of good work with you as APEC chair. And he said, thank you. That was it. There was really not very much to it more than that.
Sir, on a different topic naman po. what is your reaction